So on August 6th, the Enola Gay flew to Hiroshima and dropped an atomic bomb. That bomb was delivered to the Mariana Islands by the USS Indianapolis. There you can see the Enola Gay, which is in the Air and Space Museum in Washington, D.C. Here you can see pictures of the explosion. There's the bomb, the little fat man that they used right there. 80,000 instantly died in that explosion. Hiroshima is a major industrial area. 90% of the buildings in Hiroshima were destroyed. Here you can see a picture of Hiroshima before the atomic bomb was dropped. And here's a picture of Hiroshima after the atomic bomb was dropped. The only buildings that maintained, remember, most of the buildings in Japan at that time were made of wood, partly because earthquakes, and those would just stand better in earthquakes, but the only buildings left standing are concrete buildings. We thought the Japanese would surrender after that, but they did not. So we dropped another bomb on Nagasaki. And on August 14th, Japan unconditionally surrendered to the United States. That led to VJ Day, Victory in Japan Day. If you look at this river that flows through the middle of Hiroshima right here, that river is near the epicenter of where the bomb dropped, and the stories are that that river boiled. People that jumped into the river to get away from the fire and the explosion were boiled alive. Mothers guarding their children refused to their children. People who were standing, like this picture right here, against buildings, you can see this shadow. The blast bleached the building, but whatever's in front of the building was vaporized and left a shadow. And here you can see a man who was working on a ladder. Here's the ladder going all the way up, and there's the man that was working on the ladder. It's amazing stuff. They still have these, I understand, all over Japan. And that is the end of the lecture.